your Windows is not active. In this video, I show you two simple ways to active your Windows. First method, you need to open CMD on the Windows search. Type here CMD. Right click on command prompt, run as administrator. Click on yes. Here you need to write these three commands. First, you need to write slmgr/ipk. Copy or write this command on the CMD. After that, put one space. Now you need to enter your product key. Hit enter. Then you will see this message. Click on OK. After that, second comment, then hit enter. After that, copy and paste the third comment or write the third comment, then hit enter. It is the first way to active your Windows. The second way is so easy. Right click on desktop, click on personalize, click active Windows now. Wait a few seconds. Click here, change product key. Now enter your product key. If you don't have product key, you can buy product key on Amazon or somewhere else website. Then click on next. Then click on active. I hope this video helps. If you have any questions, put down on the comment section below. Have a good day.